Hello, this is Barry Evans with Penn State University. In Unit 8B, we will download data from the MapShed website to use in our case study. As you may recall, we downloaded demo data for an area in central Pennsylvania to illustrate certain functions and concepts in earlier units. In this case, we will download and install other data that's available on the MapShed website for different regions of the state. In particular, we will download data from the North Central region that also covers the test site in central Pennsylvania called Spring Creek Watershed that we used in the previous exercises. Shown on this next slide is a screen capture of a portion of the MapShed website. Shown here are some of the data sets that can be downloaded for Pennsylvania. Because of the large file size for some of the data layers used in MapShed, it was felt that it would be best to distribute some of this data on a regional basis and distribute some of the smaller data sets on a statewide basis. Indicated by the red star in the center of the state is the location of the Spring Creek Watershed that was included in a demo data set that we used in earlier exercises. For this particular case study that we're about to get started on, we will be downloading data for the North Central region as well as some statewide data. So once we know what region we're going to work in, we then can go to the MapShed website and download the appropriate data. You can either type the MapShed link into a browser or click on it as I'm going to do here. Once we do that, we're presented with the MapShed website that we've seen in an earlier unit. At this point, we can go right to the MapShed downloads. We've already downloaded Map Window, MapShed, and Demo Data. And this time, all we need to do is to get the North Central and statewide data sets. Again, you do this by just clicking on the link, and then the file is downloaded. Now, this can take a minute or more for each of these data sets, so rather than have you sit there and wait till I have downloaded these, I'll just state that once they are downloaded, what needs to be done is to extract each of the data sets and put the statewide and North Central folders under the main MapShed folder. At that point, they are ready to use in the following exercises.